Hey there, YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today I have a question coming in from R3 Maniac. He comments, why don't you show us the whole bike so we can actually appreciate it? Well, it's finally a little bit decent out here. The sun is out, as you can see. Here in Chicago, it's still really cold. As you can see, this is in Fahrenheit. It is 32.5 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. So it is pretty cold out here. But I wanted to get this video out before I start any other projects on the bike, so I could show you the whole entirety of the bike with the R1 tank cover, the R1 style tail cover, and the vented race fairings at the bottom. So let's get to it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video.
Not today, just stay.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of the overview of the R3 with all the new parts that I ordered, the R1 inspired parts or body parts for the R3. If you guys did enjoy that video, please hit that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. That way you guys are up to date every time I post a video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I appreciate you guys watching.